second moment of area. Second moment of area is correct, is also partially correct. But the full meaning of that on neutral axis. Yes, second moment of area around neutral axis. Okay. So second moment of area around neutral axis. Neutral axis එක මේ axis එක base තමයි second moment of area එක calculate කරන්නේ. අපි කරා lectures වල කරා මම ඔය lecture slide උත් වල තියෙනවා. ගණනුත් තියෙනවා. එතකොට මේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ඒක remind කරගන්න තියෙන්නේ ගණන් හදලා. ඒක මම හිතන්නේ මතට මම ගණන් හදන්න ඕනේ කියලා මේ ඒක තේරුම් ගන්න. හරි. එතකොට second okay, so what is the neutral axis? What is the neutral axis? How to find the neutral axis? So what is mean by neutral axis? The bending take place object in the neutral axis. What is this? Sigma means what? Stress, no? Bending stress becomes zero at the neutral axis. Okay? Neutral axis sigma is zero. Okay, so today I will only discuss about theory things because we have done some problems in class and we also have done this theory, but to remind you about this because now finish the discussion. Okay, I will ask one question from you. Then you can answer to the question and others can ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්න කට්ටිය උත්තර දුන්නා පස්සේ අනිත් කට්ටියට ඒකනොත් තියා කියන ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකයි ලෙක්චර් එකක් නෙවෙයි ඩිස්කෂන් එකක් වගේ තමයි මේක කරන්නේ. හරි. එතකොට මේ then how to find the neutral axis? කොහොමද neutral axis එක හොයන්නේ? location එක කොහොමද ඒක තීරණය කරන්නේ? Which is a symmetric one. How to find the neutral? So I can so if okay, can you see this slide?
Yes.
So I think here we discussed about that. So neutral axis. Neutral axis. How you can find the neutral axis?
Recording in progress.
As example, can say beam, like okay. It's a rectangle beam. This is a rectangle, assume. So when you bend like this from here to here, a bend, when you apply the bending moment, what will happen? It will bend. No? It will. The neutral for this cross section. This cross section is throughout this. And if you, I will mark that here. Okay. And what's the neutral axis? Neutral axis is through the centroid, no? Through the centroid here, somewhere here, middle. Centroid එක තියෙන්නේ මේ මෙන්න මෙතන. Centroid එක මේ neutral axis එක යන්නේ මේ centroid එක හරහා. හරි? If it's a rectangle. So if it is a let's say if it is a I shape one, if it's a I shape beam, same, no? Centroid. That means middle. At the middle. So because it is symmetrical about this plane, symmetrical. Assume it is not symmetrical, like this T shape. So this is a beam cross section. Okay. Assume it is a T shape beam. It's a beam. Okay. Beam is here. Okay. Beam එක එහෙම තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Okay. Now it's a cross section. Okay. It's a cross section of beam. Now this beam is subjected to a bending moment. Okay. This beam is subjected to a bending moment. Then what is the neutral axis? It is also the centroid of this cross section. So cross section is T shape, no? No? Then how to find the centroid? How to find centroid? Make a centroid එක කොහොමද හොයන්නේ?
Equals 0.
Tell me someone. Which area?
Second of it.
Yes. Second of area. Yes, first movement of inertia. For first movement of not inertia is area. Okay. It because this is we are dealing with the area, not mass. Therefore, it's area. Okay. First movement of area is 0 around the center. That's how you find the say neutral axis. Okay. මේ neutral axis එක කොහොමද හොයන්නේ? First movement of area එක 0 වෙනවා මේ අක්ෂය හරහා. ඒක තමයි neutral axis එක. ඒක මූලික කරගෙන අපිට මේ දුර හොයන්න පුළුවන්. ඒක මූලික කරගෙන මේක මේ දුර හොයන්න පුළුවන්. මේක තියෙන්නේ කොහෙද කියලා. මේ axis එක. Second movement, first movement of area එක 0. First movement of area එක 0 කියන්නේ මේ අක්ෂයෙන් මෙතන අක්ෂ මේ තියෙන රේඛාවෙන් උඩ තියෙන වර්ගඵලය සහ යට තියෙන වර්ගඵලය ඒවා අතර දුරත් එක්ක ගත්තට පස්සේ 0. ඕකේ. ඒක බලන්න a into y කියලා බලන්න ඕනේ මේක. මේ වගේ ගණන් අපි කරලා තියෙනවා නේ. මේක ගණන් කරා. Okay. This kind of okay. Second moment of area, this is a I section. In the I section, if it is I section, centroid is middle, at the middle. No need to find because it is a symmetric about this neutral axis. But the example like this, T shape, T-shape beam cross section, if you consider this, if it is a neutral axis, is it symmetrical about neutral axis, this axis? Is it symmetrical? Huh?
No, sir.
No, it is not symmetrical. Then you have to find what is the neutral axis and what is the centroid. Therefore, you should know how to find the centroid, this kind of, and also this kind of L shape, this kind of L shape beam, like a L angle, no? L shape beam, centroid is somewhere near to this side, no? Because you can see where here the area is somewhere close to here. Therefore, neutral axis is somewhere close to this, the bottom of the, below the middle, okay, below the middle. So this is the centroid. It's a centroid, and this is a neutral axis. So to find this one, this distance, that means where this neutral axis locate. For that you have to do this equation, no? First moment of area. You have to consider the first moment of area. So based on that, you can decide what is the distance. May අක්ෂය වටා first moment of area එක 0. First moment of area එක 0. ඒතර ඒක මූලික කරගෙන මේ අපිට මේ හරියට මේක තියෙන තැන හොයන්න පුළුවන්. Okay? It's clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?